My name is Muhammad Yusuf Fatan. I am studying 8th class A section. My school name is PMCSA ZPHS High School. My project name is Rainfall Measurement System. This project, this project selected by in 8-year calendar. Next part continued by my teammate.
My name is Sheikh Har Basha. I am 9th A section. My school name is PMCSA ZPHS High School Edlapalli Place. My project name is Rainfall Measurement System. My components explanation: Arduino breadboard, jumper cables, 16 into 2 LCD module, raindrop sensor, jumper cables, buzzer, LEDs. Next part continue my teammates.
My name is Satvik. I am studying 9th class A section. My school name is SAVR ZPHS Edlapalli. The aim of this project is to detect rain using a rain sensor and a display the rain level on a 16 into LCD with an module. An LED and buzzer provide visual and edible alerts when rains detected. Next part continue my teammate.
My name is Ansasidhar. I am studying 9th class A section in SAVR ZPHS Edlapalli. I explain working principle of this project. The rain sensor detects water droplets on its surface. No rain. LCD displays no rain. LED and buzzer remains off. Light rain. Yellow LED on. Heavy rain. LCD displays heavy rain. LED and buzzer turn on to alert the user. Next part will continue my teammate.
My name is P. Ayub Khan. I am studying 9th class B section. The rainfall measurement system successfully reduce usually the rainy season and display state of the LCD for, forward a usual indication with the buzzer alert the user during heavy rain. Thank you for watching.